27/1/2022. My lord, as per this order, steps on all the private respondents are complete. My lord, order is at 27/1.
Trying to find out.
2020.
Was there any miscase?
My lord,
27th of January 2022.
no, my lord, 27 January 2020 order dated.
That is only with regard to respondent number 18.
But my lord, steps on it is written that steps on all private respondents are completed in that order, and previous order, my lordship may see the previous order. Order dated 15/3/2019, my lord. 15/3/2019. Previous order.
Now, just tell us one thing. Have you annexed any appointment order of those private respondents?
My lord, I have the next. My lord, let me please allow me to submit one thing. My lord, during proceeding of this case, we have obtained a vigilance inquiry report. After that, in the amended writ petition, our main prayer is to set aside the entire select list, my lord.
No, we know that particular report.
Yes,
but
ma'am.
where is such appointment order?
Appointment, my lord. Yes, my lord. Proceed, the appointment orders are
Amended writ petition.
at page number 36. Page number, kindly come to page number 36 of the writ petition, my lord. My lord, in this order, total 28 candidates were selected. The respondent, all the private names of all the private respondents can be found in this order. For example, the respondent number 12 is the serial number 2 of this list, my lord. He is Mukut Ali. Respondent number 10 is at serial number 7, Muhammad Sattar Ali, my lord. In this way, my lord, names of all the private respondents can be found in this order, my lord. Date of publishing of this order is 4/3/2014, my lord. I apologize, my lord. I was in board number 1.
Not a check. Now, Mr. Vikas, tell us one thing.
Yes, my lord.
After that allegation
My lord.
against the respondent APDCL,
Yes, my lord.
that he did not verify that particular report of the investigating officer,
My lord.
on the basis of which this file is presently going.
Yes, my lord.
What is the stand of the APDC? What they have said, because it was categorically mentioned that this is the finding of the inquiry officer.
My lord.
What is the stand with that?
My lord, I'm submitting that clearly, my lord, that the respondent APDCL authorities had malafide intention from the very beginning, my lord.
We are not on.
My,
Allegations are always different, Mr. You
My
can
lord.
raise allegations, but
My-
what is the stand with regard to that?
my lord, they had not taken any action, my lord. Kindly see the page number 129, my lord. 120, my lord, this is a, we wanted to, the petitioner wanted to know what action has been taken against what was the finding obtained by the CVO, my lord. And in this report, my lord, in this document obtained by RTI means, my lord, it is stated that inquiry has already been completed and submitted to chairman PDCL. My lord, the date is 2/1/2016. So, my lord, in the beginning of the year 2016, the CBO submitted a report to the chairman, my lord, but chairman and managing director, but they had not taken any action, my lord. Later on, my lord, by later on, they have submitted a report to the advocate of the petitioner after a order of this honorable court in the year 2020, my lord.
Stating what?
Stating that stating that an inquiry is completed. Only, my lord, they have stated that an inquiry is completed, but as this case was pending before your lordship, they had not taken any action, my lord. As the matter is pending in the court after 2017, my lord.
Is there anything with regard to that?
My lord, no, my lord, I have no specific document regarding that.
Mr. Sharma,
Yes, my lord.
now from page number 129.
My lord, may I just submit a judgment here, my lord? What has happened is that,
No, 129.
yes, my
I'll come back to that.
my lord, this matter has already been, similar kind of matter has already been dealt and has been dealt with different bench.
We want to know from you.
Yes, my lord.
Please come to page number
129, yes, my lord.
serial number 2.
Inquiry has already been submitted to the chairman APDC.
Now, what is the outcome of it?
Yes, my lord, that inquiry report is. My lord, may just, there is an IA that we have filed and brought on record the, they had filed the IA where they have brought on record, implemented the parties. My lord, that has been, that is the report as stated in the inquiry. It is at page 31, 30, my lord. This is the inquiry, my lord. The original of it.
Because then what happens? What is the finding? What is the
Yes,
experience?
my lord. The finding
Finding we
is here,
know
my
there
lord.
was that things are available.
Yeah.
But what was the decision taken?
Yes, the decision is that we'll find out at page 34, my lord. At third. My lord, originals are here, my lord. My lord is like for you.
No, doesn't matter. Third.
Yes, the APDCL authority recommended and selected 28 number of departmental cases and posted.
No,
in
this is
different-
the inquiry report.
Yes, this is inquiry report.
Now, what happened after the submission of the inquiry report?
My lord,
What
after
decision?
there is no action has been taken up by us as of now. The persons are still working. What had happened is, my lord, that after the inquiry report, this we had submitted the inquiry report before this honorable court, and even the original records were seen. And thereafter, this, as per this inquiry report, there were some irregularities. There is no, we are not denying that fact. Even this, that's why we also commissioned the inquiry, and the inquiry gave a report on it. But my lord, what had happened after at the same moment of time, there was another writ petition filed, and that same advertisement, different circle, my lord. This is where
Romeo.
that this was in the Romeo circle where that was also for Kokrajhar circle. And my lord, the judgment I am placing it here, my lord.
With regard to that Kokrajhar circle, was there similar report?
Yes, my lord. This is same advertisement, similar selection with regarding the experience certificate.
It's particularly issue hearing with regard to an inquiry where the APDCL has directed the CBO
Yes,
to make an inquiry only with regard to Rongya circle.
yes, wrong, yes,
And
sir.
during that process of inquiry,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
CBO found that the anomalies, and accordingly he placed it through a report,
Yes,
which is to prove that there was an anomaly in the selection process, and the APDCL, in spite of having such report, have appointed these persons.
yes, my lord.
This is with the Rongya circle.
Wrong, yes, circle. Now, what has happened in the Kokrajhar circle? Similar kind of.
Advertise may be same.
Yes,
Advertise may be same.
Advertise may be
Process of
same.
selection, because it was circular.
yes, my lord.
So there was an allegation in the Rongya circle.
Yes, my lord.
There may be a separate side, different kind of allegations with the Kokrajhar
Yes, my
circle.
lord. May,
Now, with regard to Kokrajhar circle, was there any such inquiry by the CBO?
my lord, that is where I'm coming to. There was no based on this inquiry, this judgment, and there was a judgment passed. This judgment went to the writ appeal, where the division bench of this honorable court said that because there are some anomalies, so it directed the respondents, APDCL, to conduct to issue notice to all the persons as per the judgment, and if the anomalies are as per the inquiry, to remove them. This is a single judge judgment, my lord, and a division bench judgment. I'm just placing it before you, my lord.
My lord, the opposition side is diverting the issue.
Court is there to consider.
Well,
You have placed it before the court that about the anomalies. Give us the number, we'll see.
Yes, my lord.
Give us the number. Again,
308 of 2021, my lord. 308 of 2021. Judgment and order date 24/1/2023.
2081.
308, man. 308.
Of
2021, my lord. 308 of 2021. At the bottom part, my lord. That's it.
we aware of this order.
my lord, my lord, order dated.
308 of 2021.
This is the appeal.
Oh, my lord, no. Today I have come to know.
My lord, this order would
In this particular matter, Mr. Sharma, there was no such inquiry by
Yes,
the
Madam.
police, right?
Yes.
Now, let's come to that report of the inquiry.
Yes, Madam. The report,
My lord, the report is also at page number 130, my lord, of the writ petition.
We are going to the petition, not on that.
my lord, this is CVC report, my lord. Yes, my lord. It is at page 37, my lord, of the IA they have filed and
We in the writ petition.
130. Yes, my lord.
Mr. Kaushik, where is it? Which page?
134, my lord. It will be. The APDCL authority recommended and selected 28 numbers of 134.
34.
Yes, my lord.
The vigilance report.
Yes, the vigilance report is that it starts from 130 to the chairman inquiry report. The APDCL recommended 28 numbers of, and at 134 is the report. My lord. The vigilant therefore executed and recorded the statement, and gist of the statement are given below.
No, his finding are regarding that illegality.
My lord, 151 and 152 findings at page.
Mr. Sharma, where is the particular report? It was placed, vigilance report,
Yes, my lord.
page 130.
Yes, 130, my lord.
Let's come to 151. And Mr. Sharma, kindly read.
Yes, my lord. The finding, my lord. The petitioner who have filed petition before Honorable High Court and also before the CMD, the content of the main grievance was the selection of 15 numbers of Sahayak out of 28 selected and appointed by the APDCL for Rohingya were not as per policy formulated by the company during scrutiny of various documents pertaining to the selection process. The allegation raised by the petitioner sustained. The vigilance team examined documents of the said 15 number of selected candidates. Since the petitioner specifically alleged irregularities of appointment of those candidates, the remaining 13 of the document have not come under scrutiny as there is no complaint against them. During scrutiny of documents of the 15 number of candidates, kindly see the flag C. The following names have come to the notice. The application was submitted. Yes, Mala, we have yes, the application form submitted by almost all these candidates were not routed to the proper channel, which was mandatory as per the guidelines. Almost all of them have been found to have violated and laid down procedure. In case of a few candidates found that they have submitted the application form beyond the date of submission of applicants, as specified in the office memorandum, placed at Annex 3. The defaulter's name figured at inquiry para 3, which considered to be various serious lapse. Some of the candidates, the experience certificates submitted by the authorized officials are found highly irregular, which will be kindly be seen at remarks column of the inquiry report at para 3, serial number 1 to 15. In one particular case, the candidate's name have submitted false experience certificate, which may be seen at serial number 7 at para 3 of the inquiry report. The above analysis clearly indicates the irregularity in the selection process and a clear violation of the standing orders. The role of the scrutiny committee formed under the direction of CEO is found extremely poor and irresponsible. The above anomalies could have been avoided if the selection committee had performed their duties in the right spirits. One of the important required qualification for the post as directed this so and so is that the candidate who is serving as a temporary Sahayak for a period of 3 years continuously is eligible for the post, but as per norms, no temporary worker is allowed to render his service for more than a period of 89 days in his service. Is terminated at the end of the said period, only which is very confusing as regards the continuity of service. Following this principle, there should not have been a single candidate temporarily serving as Sahayak in a process. Perhaps the invitees some analyze on the matter to avoid any confusion in this regard. The result sheet signed by the chairman of selection process bears the signature of the chairman only. There are no signature of the other members of the selection committee, which is highly irregular. However, the chairman during course of examination submitted some sheets of paper of different result sheets of subcommittee, which may kindly be seen at annexure 7. During examination of the various officials, they replied to our queries, which are found feeble and not satisfactory, which will be kindly seen in annexure 9. 11. It appears that the officials involved in the process of the requirement are found to be totally ignorant of the guidelines issued by the authority for conducting the requirement, and they have done their duties in a per functional manner. Total lack of responsibility for which such serious analysis could have taken place. Hence, considering all the fact, the allegation of the petitioner stands correct. Further, I like to mention that there is a slight delay in submitting the inquiry report since this nature of inquiry requires extensive scrutiny of various departments. And recording of statements of several involved, including that of some retired person, which is time consuming. Moreover, as CBO and director, I have several other urgent official matters to attend, and hence his delay submitting the inquiry report, which is regulated.
Now, this was submitted on 30th of December 2015.
15, yes, madam.
This petition is of 2017.
17.
So what we have done from January 16 to, entire year of 15, 16.
My lord, I am submitting that only, my lord. We have not acted upon this CVC. That is, that this person is still working. What we are
not on that process.
Yes, ma'am.
This has shown the anomalies in the department.
Yes,
It is
madam.
state, right?
Yes, madam.
This is a state.
Yes,
Now, in that regard, we are asking you,
yes, madam.
when, as you know, you must be aware of the judgment of the Honorable Apex Court. When the safe cannot be removed from the grain and you cannot identify or pick out all these things, the entire selection goes.
Yes, madam.
Second, the Honorable Apex Court also have clarified, if any such selection stinks, you cannot separate the good one from the bad. The selection goes. Right?
Yes, madam.
Here, what the CVO has done, only with regard to those selected candidates against whom complaints were there. They have done it only that purpose. Right? And showing the anomalies with regard to all those particular candidates against whom there are applications. In that circumstance, it is easier for you to find out who is good, who is bad.
Yes, madam.
Now, here you are required to only to do the exercise only with the 16 numbers of
Yes,
candidates
madam.
from the Guwahati circle.
Yes, madam. No, wrong circle, my lord.
This is sorry, wrong
Wrong
circle.
My lord, that is what we are praying. That is what would also suffice his prayer, that we will take, my lord may order us that to take up the action as per writ appeal judgment. We'll take up the exercise. But what is here to be mentioned is, my lord, even if we take out this candidate, whether the petitioner is entitled to, has to come in the zone of consideration to get appointed. So, my lord, that has to be considered. For that purpose, my lord, it is, if the exercise is has to be carried out by us to give notice to them, show them the CVC report, and thereafter the proper disciplinary proceeding has to be initiated, and then they have to remove them. And thereafter, my lord, if he comes into the zone, if the petitioner comes in the zone of consideration, he will be automatically selected.
My lord, if selection is held de novo due to a judgment of this honorable court, then petitioner may secure good mark, my lord, if he again appears in the examination.
Selection of it is not the case. CVO's case is not there.
My
The
lord,
mark was given illegally or in a
my lord.
maximum side or whatever. He is that the CVO has verified the process by which these candidates
Yes, my lord.
were not genuine or who has filed their applications after the cutoff date
My lord.
or who didn't have the proper certificate.
My lord.
So which should have been discarded at the very first stage itself.
My lord. Yes.
They have been allowed to participate.
And my lord, also one thing, my lord, the result sheet is not signed by all the members of the selection committee, my lord. This
But
is,
the CVO has said that it is report that some of the sheets have been shown to them.
My lord, may I just submit here, my lord, if my lord allows. My lord, there are two writ petition. In one writ petition, his prayer is to consider his representation. Whereas in the Bhigu Thakuria 51504/17, his writ petition is to say that questioner is the appointment. So, my lord, on that exercise, the judgment of the division bench is very much clear on that, because the same advertisement. So, my lord may direct us that to carry out the exercise as per the CVO report, and that would.
Now just tell us, Mr. Sharma,
Yes,
have you
my lord.
made them permanent?
My lord?
Because 1 year.
Yes, my lord, they have become permanent. That is the difficulty we would be facing.
Difficulty why?
My lord, now, my lord, there is a judgment of the Supreme Court. If the entry in the service itself is a wrong, then he may be terminated. But for that also, we have to, as per the Purushottam Lal Dhingya, we have to take up the course of Article 311, my lord, even if it is a temporary appointee. So that process has to be carried out by us for removing them, my lord. Without that process being carried out, and they are not even here, my lord, that would be illegality.
See, you cannot have two, right?
Hello?
You cannot have two things at the same time. If the application is, just a minute. Mr. Kaushik, where is that select list? Is 33.
An order, yes. Your number, my lord, 36, my lord, 36 number, yeah. Type copy and the original is at page 58.
When the order was issued for vigilance inquiry, 6th of which month? April or what? By which the direction was given? Yes, Mr. Kaushik, by which date?
The exact date when it was directed is not available to us, my lord.
There it is number 130, but it is over, something is there, 6/4 or
yes.
something. From the original, you just see Mr. Sharma.
6/4/15, my lord. Subsequently, on the completion of the tenure,
My lord, 6/4/2015.
6/4/15, my lord. Yes, my lord.
They were appointed in 2014 itself.
Mr. Kaushik. Just tell us which are the 15 persons against whom the complaint was filed.
Yes, my lord. My lord, here respondent number 10 is at the serial number 7, my lord. Mohammad Sattar Ali. Then, my lord,
Just give us the name.
Mohammad
Just a
Sattar Ali, respondent number 10, my lord. And my lord,
Serial
next
number 7.
serial number 7 is Mohammad Sattar Ali. He is respondent number 10, my lord.
Then
And respondent number 11 is at serial number 13, my lord. Jitu Dekha. Then my lord, respondent number 12, Muhammad Mukut Ali is at page number serial number 2. Then my lord, respondent number 13, Roman Kolita is at serial number 8. My lord, respondent number 14, Manuranjan Dekha is at serial number 11. My lord, respondent number 15, Rubul Das is at serial number 20.
That's Rabul.
Rubul Das.
What is the respondent number?
Respondent number 15, my lord. Respondent number 16, Kusal Boro is at serial number 23.
Then
My lord, respondent number 17, Sanjay Burman is at serial number 1, my lord.
is respondent 17.
Yes, my lord. 17 is at serial number 1. Then my lord, respondent number 18, Muhammad Mirzul Hussain.
Serial number 4.
Serial number 4, my lord. Respondent number 19, Muhammad Zahirul Islam.
Respondent 19.
Respondent number, no, my lord. Zahirul Islam.
There is some serial number 5.
Serial number 5, my lord, yes.
His respondent number
His respondent number 19, my lord.
where is 18.
19.
Where is 18?
18 is Muhammad Mirzul Hussain. Then my lord, respondent number 20 is Sri Biren Rajbongsi. Biren Rajbongsi.
Serial number 12, my lord.
No, serial number 12, my lord. Biren Rajbongsi. Then my lord, respondent number 21, Sri Pratap Burman is at serial number 15, my lord.
His respondent number.
The respondent number 21, Pratap Burman, my lord. Then my lord, respondent number 22 is Mukut Rajbongsi. He is at serial number 16. Then my lord, respondent number 23, Kumud Das. Kumud Das is at serial number 21, my lord.
Respondent number
23, Kumud Das. Serial number 21, my lord.
respondent 23.
Then my lord, respondent number 24 is Topon Kumar Das. Topon Kumar Das is at serial number 22, my lord, in the appointment order. Then my lord, the last respondent is respondent number 25, Niren Chandra Dekha. He is at serial number 27 of the appointment order.
His respondent number 25.
25, my lord. That's all, my lord.
This becomes 16.
Yes, my lord. Total.
But the complaint was against only 15.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the respondent number 16 is Kusal Boro. His name is not found in the CBO report, my lord. But we have obtained documents against him under by RTI means, my lord. He has not appeared in this paper, my lord. No notice was served.
He hasn't appeared where?
My lord, before this case, he is not represented. Though notice had been served, my lord.
What is the allegation against him?
My lord, actually he has not completed 3 years at the time of appointment, at the time of his appointment, my lord. Kindly come to page number Page number 89, my lord. This is a document obtained under RTI Act, my lord. Name of this candidate is not in the CBO report, but we have got something against him when we have applied some documents related to him under the RTI Act, my lord. You will kindly come to page number 18. Anomalies found in case of respondent number 16 is 16 are narrated in the paragraph number 10 of the writ petition, my lord. At page number 15.
Kaushik,
Vikas, my lord. Vikas.
sorry, because Please come to your prayers.
Prayer, my lord. My lord, yes. Here is it. Yes, my lord. Here is it, page number 29. That this application is made bona fide.
No, just prayer 1, 2, 3.
My lord, to issue a rule calling upon respondents to show cause as to why one, the petitioner shall not be appointed as Sahayak. Second, the writ in the nature of certiorari or any other appointment, appropriate writ, order or direction of like nature shall not be issued to set aside and cause the appointments of respondent number 10 to 25. Third, writ in the nature of certiorari or any other appropriate writ or writ order or direction of like nature should not be issued to cancel and declare the experience certificates of the concerned respondents who were illegally appointed in view of the report submitted by the Chief Vigilance Officer APDCL to permanently debar them from getting future appointment on the strength of such documents, and to direct the chairman of APDCL to initiate appropriate inquiry and disciplinary proceeding against the concerned officials who have issued same and/or writ in the nature of certiorari or any other appropriate writ, order or direction of like nature should not be issued to set aside and cause the impugned finance select list for appointment to the post of Sahayak under Rangya Electrical Circle APDCL LAR Rangya, and on hearing the parties be pleased to make the rule absolute and or may be pleased to pass such order or further orders as your lordship may deem fit and proper in the effects and circumstances of the case, my lord.
Now here, because you just see one thing, the last prayer.
Last
you
prayer.
want that entire select list should go.
My lord.
You have not made them parties. You have made only 16.
16, my lord, but
Right.
yeah.
In that case, your prayer is prayer number 4.
4, my lord, yes.
Doesn't sustain with regard to the entire select list.
Entire
Yes,
select,
against
my-
whom you have made parties, definitely. You have certain. With regard to the prayer number 1,
1, my lord, yes.
now that can be considered when if someone below you, if it is in the merit list, following the merit list, you come to the within the zone of consideration,
My lord,
then only your case can be considered for appointment.
appointment, yes.
Otherwise, not possible.
Not possible, yes.
Now, with regard to the response number 2, with the prayer number 2,
Prayer number 2.
with regard to the prayer number 2, we'll pass certain directions.
My lord. My lord,
And with regard to number 3,
my lord.
court cannot pass any such order against any such respondents. Permanently debarred it from approaching or appearing in such kind of selection.
My lord.
It is possible, as you know, if these respondents found to be guilty of all such whatever is in the findings, the action to be taken by the respondent authorities in deputy till it sustains. Necessarily, if in the future they may file any police case or something like that, you can always approach the concerned authorities who give such advertisement for selection, that these are the candidates who applied and obtained their appointment fraudulent.
My lord.
Can always bring it to the notice, but no such direction can be issued.
My lord,
Now, with regard to this respondents number 10 to 25. Nobody appeared for this.
My lord, may I just submit this one before my lord part away the report. My lord, the question of my lord, there were 2 types of selection that happened: category A and category B. This selection is for category B, where he applied for category A. So his locus standi to whether this writ petition and whether challenging of the
Where you have raised it.
my lord, in my affidavit, my lord, the first round that I have raised is that only, my lord. At 3 of my affidavit, page 2.
But once something is brought to the notice,
My lord,
something
absolutely, my lord.
irregularities, do you think that court will shut its
No, no,
eye
my-
and that's
my-
petition?
No, no, my lord. I'm not asking for dismissing of the reputation. What I'm asking, my lord, because he does not have a locus standi, because he did not apply for the candidates for the selection of post for the where this CVC or the respondents are herein been appointed. He applied for the ITI. So what I'm asking generally for by following the directions of this honorable court, my lord, of the division bench order, to pass an order where we, as an APDCL, direct us to take up the action against those appointed as the CVC, and we'll do it. Because, my lord, now they've been appointed in 2015, in 2014, and the CVC report came in 2015-12. So,
Why you have initiated CVC inquiry?
my lord, my lord, there was a, my lord,
Who initiated the CVC inquiry?
we initiated the CVC.
Why?
My lord, that can be taken
Why?
as, because, my lord, there was a complaint that has been faced. We faced a complaint, and that is why we, as a authority, we gave for inquiry.
So it is according to the will of the APDCL that in some cases you will not appoint them or you will not regularize their service. And in some cases, in spite of the fact that there are some inquiries going on, some complaints are filed, will make them the service.
No, my lord, I'm not saying that their service being regularized. What I'm saying is, I'm saying it, my
We are
lord.
asking you,
Yes, my lord.
as a court, we are asking you,
Yes, my lord.
don't you follow the similar process for all or you follow after your?
No, my
own?
lord, we follow similar process for all. What I'm generally praying before your lord is
These
this.
complaints are from when?
This
From
complaints
the
are
date of their appointment, after
From-
the select list. was
after the
published,
select list, you know.
Then
Uh,
why you have made the service permanent?
No.
Why did not you wait till such decision?
No, my lord, I'm not saying that we have made the service a permanent. What I'm saying, my lord, even if they're in temporary basis, by
You could have passed an order,
No,
saying
no.
there are complaints, we are completing, we are thinking of passing an order for such inquiry. Till then, their services will not be made permanent.
my lord, even if they're, even if,
See, if you are trying to save some officers, it is up to you.
no, I'm not trying to
But
say,
for
my,
the court, you know very
no,
well.
I'm just trying to put a proposition of law as held by the apex court in Pusanla,
My lord,
where they said that for temporary employee and also for permanent employee, the disciplinary proceeding has to be conducted before you throw them, because it's more than 89 days they have worked. So, my lord, on that prayer only, my lord, I'm praying before your lordship that the direction may be given to us that we, as per the CVC report, CVO report, taking as a preliminary inquiry report and giving them show cause, we can conduct it, and as per directions of this honorable court, we can conduct the inquiry and we can show them the door as per but without, because they have completed the 89 days.
Now just tell us one thing,
Yes, my lord.
who committed the mistake?
My lord, it has been that the air of mistake was that we should have acted upon it, but because
Who has done the mistake?
it has been done by us, my lord. As per CVO report, we are not disputing that the CVO report is, we are not disputing the CVO report.
Why you have accepted the applications after the cutoff date?
No, my lord, that is there, my lord, that is where
Now, can you tell us, Mr. Sharma, that you will take some action against those persons?
my lord, now at
Whatever. Why? That means somebody is blue-eyed void of some of the persons
No, my
in that
lord.
category.
I'm not here defending a blue-eyed woman. I'm just here trying to state that our stand of APDCL is that we will take up the action of the CVO. My lord's direction, as per the division bench of this honorable court, has already given us an as for after the selection. So a same similarity in judicial scrutiny may be involved, because, my lord, then what would happen if we do not do that? Then another batch of writ petitions will be filed, where, because being 89 completion of 89 days, inquiry should have been completed under Article 311, and there we would have been lapse of time, my lord. That on that ground only I'm here, my lord.
My lord, the locus standi point is dealt with in the paragraph number 5 of my affidavit in opposition, my lord. I have clearly narrated why this client, my client is eligible to file this petition. He has a locus standi, my lord. And, my lord, this is a fit case where the entire select list can be set aside, my lord. I have also submitted a judgment of this honorable Supreme Court, my lord. Kindly find the judgment in my list of book, my lord. My lord, in the paragraph number 5 of my affidavit in opposition, dated 4/9/2021, I have narrated why this petitioner has locus standi, my lord. affidavit in opposition dated 4/9/2021.
Part 2 file. Part 2 file.
Opposition. Affidavit in reply 4/9/2021. My lord, one thing to submit, my lord. My lord, the item number 2 may be separately heard, my lord. Item number 2, my lord, because my lord, the subject matter is defined, though it is related with the same advertisement. And my lord, also I have submitted a list of I have submitted my list of book to the court, to this honorable court, my lord. Where, my lord?
Or Mr. S. Vikas, counsel appearing for the petitioners. And Mr. K.D. Sharma,
SP Sharma.
sorry, S.P. Sharma, standing counsel, APDCL. For the respondent numbers. One, P. Shaikha, government advocate Assam, for the respondent number 1. Mr. S.P. Sharma, standing counsel, APDCL, for the respondent numbers 3 to 9.
2 to
2 to 9.
2 to 9. 229.
During the deliberation of the matter, the respondent numbers 229 have filed their affidavits in the matter, to which the petitioner has filed his rejoinder. During the deliberation of the matter, it is found that the respondent number 22 and 20 number respondent numbers 22 and 25 have filed their affidavits in the matter on 20/09/2019. However, the petitioner hasn't filed any such reply to those two affidavits of the respondent numbers 22 and 25. It is also seen that those two respondent numbers 22 and 25 filed their Wakalatnama on 19/08/2019. However, the name of the counsels for those respondents, R.L. Chutia, B.M. Bhuya, and M.S. and M.N. Alom, and have not been reflected in the cause list. In view of the above, the registry shall place this matter again on
My lord, 28, my lord, if my lord.
will prepone it then 21st.
No, 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 there's two matters on 21 when outstation, my lord, that is, on my 28th week, my lord, if my lord, if.
Possible on 9th.
My lord,
9th. Okay, 9th again, it will be any problem. So we'll make it 28th of March. Checking the name of councils for the council for the respondent numbers 22.
My lord, the item number 2 is a different.
my lord, may,
Come from the same thing, right?
my lord, may it be reflected the original records. Yes.
On the next date fixed, the respondent APDCL shall place the relevant records in original report.
28.
22 and the respondent numbers. Excluding 22 to 24.
My lord, maybe recorded as part hard.
Into 25, excluding 22 and 25. The other private respondents, excluding 22 and 25, did not appear in the non-filing.
My lord, the item number 2 has been segregated.
Not it.
No, my lord. Much all right.
Hello, with due respect, I know here what happened was that yesterday I was on my way, then the standing council Rajiv Gandhi University called me. I was over train, so the network was not there. I stated that I might take time if prepared, but my senior I think has misinterpreted, and so like it might be wrong on my part also. So my lord, he is absent today. So my lord, can it be taken on Thursday? And my lord, one more submission. Here, my lord, in this case, all the PWs and DWs were examined. It is fixed on 15-3 for argument. If this matter be taken up at the last week of March, may the
During the deliberation, the matter MSSG Bureau Learned Counsel for the petitioner submitted that (1503) is the date. 15/03/2023 is the date fixed for argument
GR, my lord, I'll give this
in the GR case.
326/18
Before the court of
before the Honorable Court of Session, Lakhimpur at North Lakhimpur.
considering the same, let this matter on 38, not 30. 38 moments, 30. 38.
Much obliged, my lord, highly obliged.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. What is the stand of the government?
Here we have filed our affidavit, my lord.
You have seen that?
Yes, my lord. So school was, my lord, provincialized on, my lord. Was provincialized, my lord, 1911, 1991, my lord. And my lord, seeking, my lord, voluntary retirement 16/3/2009 to 16/3/2009, my lord, without following the procedure, my lord. And moreover, in the show cause notice, here it is mentioned that FR 56 government servant has to submit VRS application before 3 months previous notice to the appointing authority, but he has not done this, my lord. Moreover, my lord, he has not replied to the show cause notice also.
Page 23, my lord, the report of the director, my lord.
Mr. Ali, kindly show us the provisions of voluntary retirement of a government employee serving in such educational institutions.
FRS 56 will cover, my lord.
বৰুৱা। টেবুলৰ এখন নতুন FRS আছে।
The FRS 56 FR, my lord, says any government servant, my lord.
Yes, kindly read.
Any government servant may, by giving notice of not less than 3 months in writing to the appropriate authority, retire from service after he has attained the age of 50 years. Or he has completed 25 years of service, which is earlier. Here, my lord, the petitioner completed 53 years of age, my lord. And he rendered, my lord, 19 years, 2 months, 2 months. "19 years, 4 months, and 9 days service." And age, my lord, 53 years, 1 month on the date of his application for VRS.
Date of application.
Application, my lord, on 16/3/2009. C, my lord.
My lord, petitioner without obtaining the leave, permission for leave, or my lord, without finalizing the, my lord, VRS, he has taken the leave willfully on from 3/3/2009 to 29/2/2016, my lord, without any permission, my lord. And ultimately, his application was rejected on 6/10/2016, my lord.
Now, my lord, he applied on 16/3/2009, my lord. Then, my lord, the inspector of school forwarded to the headmaster seeking his report. Page 13, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, inspector of school, my lord, forwarded to the director.
What is the date of birth?
Date of birth, my lord, 1/2/1956. The department has taken 7 years, my lord, to decide my application after my retirement. When I applied for my pension, my lord. Now they are taking plea in the affidavit. I have not followed the 56C. Now, my lord, page 16, my lord. The director issued letter to IS, my lord, regarding my any liability in the school. Then no liability was issued, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, by page 23, my lord, by letter, my lord, 22/7/2010, my recommendation was forwarded to the government. Lordship, kindly see page 23. They could have rejected my application image on that date of filing of my application by page 23. Lordship, kindly turn my. This is dated, my lord, 22nd of July 2010 by the director to the commissioner and secretary to the government of Assam Education Secondary Department, Dispur, regarding, my lord, voluntary retirement in respect of Salman Khandokar, assistant teacher of so-and-so school. In inviting a reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to forward a copy of letter dated 31/12/2009 received from the inspector of school DDC Dhubri for perusal of the government. From the paper received by this office, it appears that the Sri Suleiman Khandokar, an assistant teacher of so-and-so school, applied by this application dated 16/3/2009 for allowing him to go for voluntary retirement with effect from 2/3/2009, copy and closed. Though he did not state the reason for voluntary retirement, from the report of the headmaster of the school submitted by his letters dated 29/3/2010 and the resolution of the managing committee, it appears that Sri Salman Khandokar contested the last ASP election from so constituency. In this connection, copy of the resolution of the managing committee's meeting and photocopy of his service book is enclosed herewith. as per report of the inspector of school and also as per record of his service book of so and so school received departmental recognition with effect from 1/1/1970. Sri Khondekar joined the school as graduate in the graduate cadre on 22/10/1989. So the length of his service for pensionary benefit will be counted with effect from 22/10/89. Sri Khondekar has applied for voluntary retirement with effect from 2/3/2009. So from 22/10/1989 to 2/3/2009, his qualifying service will be 19 years.
What is your
old.
application for?
Application, my lord, he has no copy, my lord. So it was forwarded to government for consideration. This is 2010. Thereafter, no action, my lord, no reply, no communication. And in the meantime, my lord, 2016, I have retired. I filed application for my pensionary benefit. After my application, my lord, on 5th of October, my lord, show cause notice has been issued. And on 6th of October, my application has been rejected after 7 years of my application. Now, show cause, my lord, page 29. When I filed application for my pensionary benefit, my lord, page 27 is my representation.
Now, Mr. Ali, tell us
Right.
what is the provision? It has to be 20 years of service
20 years of service, my lord, or my lord, age, my lord.
or age,
Yes, my lord.
53 years.
Rashid,
Age is 53 years.
53 years. So we fulfill that criteria, my lord.
Now, what about the notice?
Which one, my lord?
Notice for 3 months.
No, that was not given. So they could have rejected
Notice
my,
for 3 months.
no, it was not followed.
You did not give any pre-notice.
No. So department could have rejected my application then and then, my lord. And it does
Not
not,
required.
lordship.
Since you have not given your application,
So
then also in the other way, it means something else.
and in the report of the director, my lord, it has clearly mentioned that my date of application and the effect. I am
Mr. Sharma,
seeking,
what is the provision for that notice?
I am seeking,
FR 56C, my lord.
Sharma.
Now, show cause minor notice minor page 29. As I have submitted application without following 56(3), this is the search. That too after my retirement. No, nothing has been paid. My lord.
Mr. Sharma,
My lord.
why is not entitled for pension?
My lord, he was on leave, my lord, without any permission from 3/3/2009 to my lord, 29 to 2016, my lord.
Now, from the letter of the Director of Secondary Education Assam, and as well as this affidavit, it is clear that the petitioner, please come to number
23. My lord.
come to page number 24. So he'll be entitled for pensionary benefit or not? Please read page 24.
As per report of the inspector of schools and also as per record in his service book, the Kanaimari High School received department recognition with effect from 1/1/1970. Sri Khandakar joined the school as graduate in the graduate cadre on 22/10/1989. So the length of the service of for pensionary benefits will be continued with effect from 22/10/1989. Sri Khandakar has applied for voluntary retirement with effect from 2/3/2009. So from 22/10/1989 to 2/3/2009, his qualifying service will be 19 years, 4 months, 9 days. On the other hand, as per record of school, the date of birth of Salman Khandakar is 01/02/1956. So on 1/3/2009, his age was 53 years, 1 month, nil days.
So he is entitled for pension or not?
Yes, from the
Pension
report.
for which period?
For 22/10/1989
To
to 23 no, 2/3/2009.
what's the difficulty? Pay him the pension. Pay him pension.
Thereupon, he was unauthorized leave.
Anyway, we are not paying for that. Nor you have paid him salary. Or whether he has taken salary for that period or not. Have you verified? Whether for that period petitioner has taken any salary? Heard Mr. Harali, counsel appearing for the petitioner. Mr. U. Sharma, standing counsel of secondary education. For the
For
respondent numbers.
1, 3, and 6, madam.
Dr. Standing counsel. AGAE Assam for the. Pratami U. Sharma for respondent number
1, 3, and 6.
1, 3, and 6. Also heard Mr. Rathore, standing counsel AGAE Assam for the respondent number 4. And Mr. P. Saika, standing counsel government, government advocate Assam for the respondent number 5. 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Matter pertains to non-payment of pensionary benefits to the petitioner. Who, by filing an application on (16 3 2009) paid for his voluntary retirement with effect from 2/3/2009. But the said voluntary application, but said application of the petitioner for his voluntary application was without complying with the formalities as provided under FR 56C. After hearing the parties or sometime in the length, sometime it was found necessary, but it has been found necessary to consider up to which date the petitioner received his salary while serving as an assistant teacher of Kanaimara High School in the district of District Dhuri in the graduate scale of pay, serving as a graduate teacher. The court is also of the view that Treasury officer Dhuri is a necessary party for proper adjudication of this case. And as such, the Treasury officer such and such be included as party as per number 7 in the present proceeding. Get hold of Mr. A. Chaliha. Mr. B. Google will be too busy. Mr. A. Chaliha, standing counsel, filing prevented appearance on behalf of the newly included as per number 7. List on. March 21st. And on the same day, the respondent number 3, Director of Secondary Education, Assam, The respondent number 6, Inspector of Schools, Dhubri. And the respondent number 7, Treasury Officer, Dhubri, shall apprise the court. Shall apprise the court as to whether petitioner was paid any salary and other financial benefits from the exchequer of the government since
Two, 2009.
02/03/2009 till the date of his superannuation
29 to 2016.
(29/02/2016). And if so, specify the amounts. Salary and other financial benefits. Copy of this order to Mr. U. Sharma, Standing Counsel, Section 6. And Mr. H. Alia, Standing Counsel, Private. Mr. Ali,
Lord.
give me a second copy.
Lost.
2 copies.
But 7 may be corrected by hand. madam.
Registry accordingly the correct the receiver. Registry shall accordingly incorporate the name of the Treasury Officer Dhubri.
Dhubri, madam. But
Mr. Chaliha, we need this information so that we can facilitate the petitioner to have his pension.
Only question, according to me, which is involved is whether an experience of an unqualified teachers can be counted for the purpose of giving marks in the selection process of an assistant lecturer. This is what the question is. My lord, your lordship, can you see there was a advertisement, page 91, for one post of political science.
Just a minute, please take your seat.
Page 91. This is an advertisement for the post of unreserved category for the post of political science matter in Kachar College. UGC pay scale.
For the post of political science.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So now after sorting out the selection process, page 93, my lord.
Hmm.
Page 93, marks has been given. Petitioner is at serial number 2. This is as per the norms they are given. So in the teaching experience, there is no marks for the petitioner and also for the respondent number 5, which is at serial number 8. Serial number 2, your lordship will can see the total marks is 62.92 petitioner, and Manojit Singha, serial number 8, his total mark is 58.11. Page 93.
Yes.
So therefore, Mr. Respondent number 5, accordingly proposal was sent by the to the DHE at page 95. Your lordship, 95.
Hmm.
It says, my lord, to honor here.
Respondent number 5 secured 58.11
Yes, ma'am.
and the petitioner secured 62.92.
Yes, and in the teaching experience, when the respondent number 5 also did not get any marks, and respondent number and the present petitioner also did not get marks. So the main question here is whether the respondent number 5 filed an application before the authority saying that I am a qualified teacher, I've got experience, my mark was not counted. So this is the crux of the matter. But he was not qualified at point of time, and his service was not provisioned. Whether he is entitled to be considered for giving this 5 marks.
Now your teaching experience was where?
My teaching experience is not there.
No. You don't have any teaching experience
I
at all.
don't have, so I don't have grievance also.
Hmm.
But respondent number 5, he, after having all these things, he says, madam, my marks for teaching experience was not given. So therefore, he filed a representation before the authority. So ultimately, madam, the authority at page 95 is selected the petitioner and sent the name for proposing her name for appointment. Page 95.
No, 95 was your proposal.
My proposal.
Hmm.
And 96 is the detailed particulars for approval.
Hmm.
Then, my lord, page,
You got the appointment or not?
no, we did not get appointment because a complaint was filed
Hmm.
before the authorities, and authority writes a letter to the principal
Hmm.
at page 98.
Yes, then what happened?
And my lord, the principal was asked to, my lord, redo the matter.
Hmm.
So accordingly, the matter has been redone. And again, the proposal was sent for the petitioner. But thereafter, my lord, principal says you go for fresh advertisement. The selection process adopted by the governing body was not accepted. Director Higher Education.
No, but where is that?
That initially, my lord, I would just like to show for a moment, my lord, page 98.
Oh, that we have seen.
98 you will have seen.
Hmm.
Then a letter to the principal to
That also
DHE,
you have seen.
seen, my lord. Then page 100.
No, that impugned order is at page 118. which you are challenged, right?
Yes, but page 100, your lordship will kindly, this is the minute send, this is important. Page 100. May I read this? This is important. my lord.
Yes, please.
My lord, from below, my lord, in compliance with the directive given by the DHA, this is the second time. My lord, after getting the letter from the DHA, they have taken up the matter again. Then thereafter they write it. My lord, they have taken, they have passed the resolutions. In compliance with the directive given by DHA, Government of Assam, so and so dated dated 5th December 2016, a meeting of the selection committee was convened on July 26, 17 at so and so to review the questions of awarding marks for teaching experience to Dr. Y. Manojit Singha, respondent number 5, a candidate for the post of assistant professor in the Department of Political Science in Kachar College, Silchar. The members present in the meeting thoroughly discussed the matter in the light of the distribution of marks as provided in the OM number so and so dated 25/6/2012 issued by the Department of Higher Education, Government of Assam, according to which 1 mark shall be given for each completed year of teaching service in an affiliated government first degree college, subject to maximum of 5 marks. In this view of the matter, it appears that SMDET college where Dr. Singha had served was neither a government nor a provincialized college. Again, the UGC regulation 2000 prescribes that a person to be appointed as a lecturer in a college must have consistently good academic record with 55% marks at the master's level, and he must have cleared net SLAT. The matter situated thus, candidate Dr. Y. Manojit Singha has stated in his application that he joined SMDEP College 16/8/2004. It appears that at the time of his joining in SMDEP College, Lakhimpur, Dr. Singha did not have the requisite qualification as prescribed in the UGC Regulation 2000. Dr. Singha obtained his PhD in the year 2015 and cleared NET in 2015. So his service in SMDEP College, Lakhimpur, during the period from 2004 to 10 was the service of a non-qualified teacher. In view of the facts stated above, the selection committee unanimously reiterated its earlier position that no marks for teaching experience be awarded to Dr. Y. Manojit Singha on the ground that he did not have all the required essential qualification as prescribed in the UGC Regulation 2000, and also on the ground that the college where Dr. Singha has served was neither a government nor a provincialized college. So at the relevant point of time from the year 2004 to 2010, when Mr. Singha was serving in the college, he did not have qualification for serving as a lecturer in the college. And your lordship will kindly see how the college was provincialized. That is at page 105. This is in the year 2005. As your lordship, what is it?
Just a minute.
105.
One zero.
5.
Yes.
Now, this is while provincialization order, my lord. I am directed to say that the government convey concurrence to the permission affiliation for starting subjects as detailed against the college subjects to fulfillment of the conditions laid down by the university. So these names are there, subjects are political science, English, Bengali, economic histories, etc. are there. The next page, it says, the concurrence is also accorded subject to removal of underqualifications lecturer from the college, if any. So underqualified means at that point of time, the respondent number 5 was not qualified. He got his NET and SLET in the year 2015. So at that point of time, he was not qualified. So accordingly, an unqualified experience of an unqualified teachers cannot be counted for the purpose of giving marks in the process of selection of assistant teachers. Now, your lordship, you can say 108. This is the UGC regulations. This is UGC regulation 2000.
Yes.
113. Then page 113.
Yes.
Below, my lord, 1.3.3. Good academic record with at least 55% of marks or equivalent grade B in the 7-point scale with so and so, and then below, my lord, besides fulfilling the above qualification, candidates should have cleared the eligibility test NET for lecturers conducted by the UGC or similar test accredited by UGC. NET shall remain the compulsory requirement for appointment as lecturer even for candidates having PhD degree. However, the candidates who have completed MPhil degree or have submitted PhD thesis in the concerned subject up to 31st March to 1993, 31st December 19 are exempted. So exemption is there. The requirement is NET or SLET. One has to have that qualification. So now the order has been passed, my lord.
Yes. What is the stand of the, Mr. Kavildar, what is the stand of the higher education?
Well, only one aspect of the matter I would like to show, my lord.
Lordship,
2018, my lord, 115. This office memorandum in partial notification of D, my lord. The teaching experience will only be counted for teaching.
That you have already considered in your review.
Yes.
That part.
Yes.
On the
Now
basis of
the
this, you have
impugn
considered.
order which has been passed, my lord, that is at page 118.
Exception day, serial number 2.
118. Well, this is, I think, not non-application of mine, according to me, my lord. Your lordship will kindly see serial number 2. May I just read this one?
Yes, yes. Please.
Serial number 2, your lordship
Now,
has
is there
already
any stay
known.
order in force?
Yes. Appointment of assistant professor of political science. Allegation submitted by Dr. Y. Manojit Singh, dated so and so, and the principal was requested by this directorate on so and so to place the matter again before the selection committee and GB of the college. But the order of director of higher education, Assam, not complied. Why not complied? They have already complied. They have again redone the, my lord, system. The governing body was set and they have considered the matter. And now he is saying that it's not compliant. They totally arbitrary and non-application of mine. They don't read one. As such, the recommendation is cancelled. Why? He has sent the recommendation again. That second resolution has not been read by the authority, madam. It is completely incorrect and without any application of mine.
Now, what is the stand of the, let us see, that is the reason we have seen. They have just
The
cancelled it.
affidavit is also.
What is the stand? Why they have issued that paragraph 2
Paragraph 2, yes,
in the impugn order?
impugn order, this paragraph 2, there is no explanation. It's on the face of it, my lord, incorrect and without any application of mine. And your lordship will kindly see this, this is the affidavit they have filed. The selection committee of Kachar should have awarded the same marks to the respondent number 5 for the selections and appointment to the post of assistant professor in the Department of Political Science, Kachar. This is what they say, paragraph 8.
No, read para, sir.
Yes, that with regard to statements made in paragraph 5, the writ petition deponent said that it is a matter of record and put to the writ petitioner to stick as proof thereof and denies everything which is beyond the record. It is stated that as per UGC regulation, the requisite qualification for the candidate in the post of assistant professor must have at least 55% marks in master's degree level along with so and so. It would be relevant to state here that the respondent number 5 acquired NET and PhD degree only in the year 2016. Therefore, the experience certificate issued by the SMDev College Authority for Teaching Experience with effect from 2004 to 2010 has not been considered by the selection committee. Moreover, the respondent number 5 has been allotted 5 marks against teaching experience in the interview of other colleges, that is Hendrix College, Guwahati, Jengrimukh College, Majuli. Yes, that with regard to statements made in paragraph so and so, this respondent vehemently denies everything which are beyond the records. It is stated that according to the writ petitioner, the respondent number 5 is not entitled for awarding 5 marks as teaching experience since the respondent number 5 was not at all qualified for not having net slate degree during his service period in SMDev College. Further, the respondent number 5 was wrongly awarded 5 marks against teaching experience by some other college authority. Respondent 5, on the other hand, contended that the other college authorities have awarded 5 marks against teaching experience. Therefore, the selection committee of Kachar College should have awarded the same marks to the respondent number 5 for selection and appointment to the post of assistant professor in the Department of Political Science, Kachar. They have nothing on their own. They said some college has given some marks, so therefore they should have allotted the same marks to the petition. They have not decided whether a person who is unqualified, his teaching experience can be considered for providing marks for teaching experience.
Where is your letter from the Kachar University? Who is appearing for Kachar College? Who is appearing for Kachar College?
None is there. My second resolution is 100, page 100. So there, I mean, and there is a judgment manner. I'll show judgment manner persons who is not qualified at the relevant point of time. Their experience is not.
No,
supposed to be
this resolution of the college,
yes,
when it was forwarded to the Director of Higher Education.
that was forwarded on 26/7.
Now, what is the,
2007.
just a minute, we'll come back to you.
This is 2017. It says not complied, but we have sent the resolution. It is there.
No, where is that statement that the college have forwarded it with regard to that letter? Page 99.
It seems, my lord, they have not considered the second resolutions.
Yes, who is appearing for? Hmm?
No, only one judgment I would like to show.
I'll come back to you, just a minute. Okay, anyway, Sai, please.
Under 2000, this is a judgment dated by Justice Monojit Chaudhary, Monojit Bhuya, my lord, WPC 4762, 2011. Judgment is dated 29/5/2015. And paragraph, relevant paragraph would be, my lord. Paragraph 11, last portion. And is another one is 2015 8 SCC 129. Paragraph 7, 8, 9. Look, MPhil and PhD, it is a must for lecturer.
Mr. Bhuya, please come to page number 118. The repetition. Then turn to page number 19,
19, lots of
119.
one. Lots of before that, lots of is this Google, Google.
It's fine, doesn't
Yes,
matter.
he's coming. Lots of okay, lots of space. 19.
118. 118.
Sorry, 118.
Annexes, it is there all. 118, repetition. Second repetition.
Joyce.
620.
One zero two. One, let's say 118. This is 106. No, it will do. What's the speaking order? Also?
And we read para 2, 118.
Up to it. May I read, listen? Appointment of assistant professor in political science. Allegation submitted by Dr. Y. Monojit Singha, dated 28/9/16, and the principal was requested by the directorate on 5/12/16 to place the matter again before the selection committee and ZB of the college, but the order of director election some not complied. As such, the recommendation is cancelled. The college will advertise the post, but will seek approval for the same formal election.
Now, please turn to the next page. 119. When it was issued,
30/12/2017.
30/12/2017. Now, please come to page number 99.
99. Lordship.
What is the date in the top
24/10.
to 24/10/2007? Please
Seven.
come to next page 100.
Lordship.
That minutes is on which date?
Minus of meeting.
Second line on the top.
26/7/2017.
So 26/7/2017, decision was taken,
Lordship.
forwarded by the college on October 2017. And the Director of Higher Education has passed this order on 30th of December 2017.
Lordship.
But by that time, probably you have received the report, but only the ground that as no report was received, the observation of the Director of Higher Education is that, but the order of Director of Higher Education Assam not complied. They have complied with, they have forwarded, you have received, probably you have not looked into it. Only ground of rejection is there earlier on 5th of December 2016, but it is not 5th of December 2016.
Yes.
13th of December 2016. Anyway, whatever, December 2016, we have sent a letter to the Kasar College, pursuant to which the Kasar College has forwarded in the end of October 2017. But this order is of December 31st. Sorry, 30th December, only on the ground that the college did not comply to it. Is it correct?
Not.
So, so what will happen? Tell us.
And that
The-
commissioner decide the matter, but I think Director of Higher Education is overburdened.
You should have also done one thing. You should have also received the through RTI when the Directorate of Higher Education received this letter.
That they do not deny.
The affidavit, they are silent.
Yes, that they do not deny.
Madam, kept as a part of the icon, Google or whole matter is, but apparently from the record, seems.
Mr. Das, that order of Brother Mian is of 2000, which year? 4762.
4762,
2011.
2011. Paragraph. Last time, may I just read one?
Just let us.
Yeah, my lord, he was not in provincial as college. The qualification was not taken into consideration. That was not the subject matter. Yeah, because he was not in the deficit college, therefore his experience is not.
Now, Mr. Das, let us assume that the college got the deficit grant in
2005. Yes.
2000. And in 2005, he didn't have the requisite, because in 2005 was the requirement of.
Yes,
and
this is
net
what I.
and fill.
Yes,
No,
net slate is important.
it was required since
Yes.
when?
Since 2000, my lord, that notification I have shown, that UGC regulation 2000 page 108 at 113. Since that, my lord, since that. Since 2000, my lord, the requirement is that, and the exemption part is there regarding PhD. And the judgment is also there, 2015 8 SCC 129. One has to be MPhil or PhD.
No, for the state of Assam, there is some cutoff date.
No, but from 2000 onwards, when the net slate is important. Otherwise, my lord, the director should say that this qualification is not required. So therefore, his teaching experience is countable.
Recognition is in 2005.
2005. And it says, my lord, the unqualified teacher has to be removed.
Forgot that matter. Division bench judges, Commerce College. There's a cutoff date from the state of Assam. Sometimes in December or October 99 or something, 16 12, 19.
Lina B numbers since 1998 was Lina B numbers.
Division bench appeal, there is a cutoff date given.
Lots
That cutoff date of having the.
from Guwahati Commerce College was
Huh?
Lina B numbers.
It was a cutoff date given whereby the division bench accepted that till that period.
That net slate is not necessary.
That is what, but
But this-
after probably 16 till 1999, if I'm not wrong.
But now it is 2005.
After
2000.
1999, there is.
Requirement is there.
That was in the division bench.
And this is the UGC regulation 2000.
No, that this is UGC regulation because it was subsequent there. What happened in most of the cases, you see the director of higher education is to give some time to these lecturers who doesn't have the qualification
Yes,
to obtain. Otherwise, in that period, they continued as a fixed pay teachers, fixed pay lecturers.
yes.
But only after obtaining such UGC qualifications, they have been given the UGC scale of pay.
Yes.
But again, anomaly that they have been given such UGC scale of pay prior from the date of their regularization. That things are happening. Anyway.
But here only decision is, my lord, whether
so
qualified,
if
this decision has to come
he
from
has
the.
got in 2010,
Who?
right? This particular response number 5 obtain his UGC qualification in
2015,
2015 or 2013.
15, my lord.
You've said somewhere.
Yes, it is in page 100, my lord.
Hmm.
It is there. And his qualification is also there. I have shown at page
So he secured PhD in 2000.
15 and net also 2015. Respondent
So
number 5.
this advertisement interview was held when?
Interview was held in the year my lord, 2015 advertisement was there. Then thereafter he was qualified. After the advertisement, he was qualified, my lord.
No, doesn't that qualification come with
Qualification, only
20?
that experience, marks experience.
So advertise selection was held on 20 of August 2016.
My lord.
So
Where,
any date when he passed this NET or
yes,
obtained his-
he passed, at that point of time, he is qualified. There is no, my lord, quarry.
from that point, he will get at least some marks.
No, my lord, on
1 year
2015
has to be
season,
there.
then, no, he was there in that college from 2004 to 2010.
From 2015.
4 to 2010.
From 2015 to 2016. That period, he will get some marks.
No, he was not there in that college. In that college, he was there only from 2004 to 2010.
Thereafter, he was not there.
No, this is what the resolution says. I know.
Anyway, you have to rise. Mr. Gogoi, reply tomorrow. Okay. Two things we like to show you. Let's come to page number 98
98 of Lordship.
of the read petition. Second read petition of the petition.
2620 Lordship.
3620.
3620 Lordship 98. 98 Lordship. I've seen Lordship.
Now, this is the letter sent to college
Lordship.
in the December 2016.
Lordship.
Now, next, please come to page number 100.
Lordship.
You see the minutes.
Lordship.
That
Lordship.
is of 26th of July.
Lordship. Lordship.
Then it was forwarded on 24th of October,
Lordship.
page number 99.
Lordship.
Now, if you see the impugn order, the Director of Higher Education,
That lordship, no.
That is 118.
118.
You have page 118?
One on each, yes, lordship, we have lordship. I have seen the reasoning, lordship.
No, para 2.
Two lordship, I have seen lordship.
Kindly read.
Lordship. Appointment of Assistant Professor Department Political Science allegation submitted by Dr. D.Y. Monojit Sinha dated so and the principal was requested by the directorate on so to place the matter again before the selection committee and GB of the college, but the order of the Director of Higher Education Assam not complied. As such, the recommendation is cancelled.
Is it
That-
correct? Because this is an order passed on 30th of December 2017.
Lordship.
But the college authority has already complied and forwarded it on sometimes in 24th of October 2017.
And lordship, record is lordship, in the record lordship will reflect.
That you know.
Record will reflect lordship. On what basis director has passed the order lordship? If the college authority has not
As you know, most of the director's letters are lying. It has not been pointed out. Even in our High Court also, you will see the AD cards. It is there, but it is not reflected. Right?
So
On many
lordship,
occasions we pass orders.
then my lord may fix the matter next week. In the meantime, we will bring the record also lordship.
Find out. That is what
No
the
lordship.
college authority has a forwarded.
Lordship,
They had
lordship.
this thing,
Lordship.
and there is a stay order from the court long back that shall not be filled up the post of assistant professor in this.
My
Right?
lord may next week after
Give us a
lordship
date,
holy
give us a date.
after holy lordship on.
The Gogoi doesn't play holy.
No, itu to বন্ধ থাকিব না।
But office is open, I think so. State will have holidays only on
Lordship.
7 and 8.
On 9 to 10 lordship any day.
Give us a date, we'll fix it on that day.
On 10 lordship. 10.
Then,
Yeah.
fine. Mr. Das?
Yes, they will produce the records.
Lordship.
Not say anything.
Lordship. I
But
will.
Mr. Viridas, Finance Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. B. Purokasta, Counsel for the petition.
B progress. Homework on the
B. Purokasta, you know? Not A. Purokasta. Also got Mr. K. Gugu, Standing Counsel, Higher Education. Respondent numbers 1 and 2. You are appearing for whom?
6 months. I am also the private respondent in item number 5. Dr. Y. Monojit.
Your good name?
My lord, Mr. Didas, senior counsel, is appearing. My lord, he is on legs. That's why
What's your good name?
K. Mohammed.
On behalf of Mr. K. Respondent number 5. List on 10 enabling Mr. K. Gogoi, Standing Counsel, Higher Education, to place the 11 records in original, in which the Director of Higher Education, this would be into an order dated 30/12/2017. As well as records of BHC, oblique CE, oblique AC, oblique NET, oblique SLET, oblique 484,
Just find out here now.
oblique 2016, oblique 98, dated 05/12/2016. No, it's 90, wherein the communication dated 05/12/2016 was issued. Put the records.
Lordship.
Second half here, lordship not sitting.
Who is sitting?
Fortunate. Oh, desktop to অলপ আছে।
Appeal dismissed.
Obliged.
Appeal allowed. The accused is already on bail, so bail bonds can be discharged. Appeal is dismissed. Appeal is dismissed. Appeal allowed. Bail bonds can be discharged.
Obliged.
Mr. Sutia,
My lord,
probably you have gone through this matter. At this stage, whether benefit can be given to the petition.
No, my lord. Petitioner has been retired is different thing. Petitioner has come before your lordship, keeping 2 or 3 months balance for retirement. After that, as per law, it is not allowed. Fag end of his retirement, it is true.
The judgment of the apex court has to be complied.
Yes,
We know
my
that
lord.
that period cannot come.
Cannot be
But
come.
thing is this, whether it is correct from the records of the.
No, no, my lord. No, we have
That's what
filed an
we
affidavit. My simple matter is, my lord. Petitioner, he appeared in the SSLC 82 from one school, failed. Yes, my lord. First time he appeared SSLC in 1977 as per his environment from Hailakandi. Failed. Second time appeared in the SSC exam 1982, being University failed. Is a different school. And third time he appeared as regular candidate SSM 1984, being so and so he is failed. Finally, fourth time, the petitioner appeared in the compartmental SSC exam 1984, being so and so, BM High School, Hailakandi, and secured third division. Therefore, comparing the date of record in the admit card of the compartmental SSC exam 84, being so and so, so and is totally baseless and concocted. His date of birth is
No, exactly. Now please come to page number 91.
Sorry, my lord. We are not
Now this is an admit card issued by the SEBA.
Seba.
Then next is the duplicate mark sheet.
Yes.
Now, entire claim of the petitioner is that if this admit card is considered,
Regarding this, my lord,
Hmm.
lordship kindly see page 41, annexure G of the writ petition. This is his application submitted 2019, 1/1/2019. Lordship kindly see last and close.
Yes,
Original admit
yes,
card.
yes, we have seen it, the market has read long.
Yes, admit card. And whereas, my lord, he submitted a duplicate obtained in 2018. Why 2018 duplicate? Why 2019 he has submitted the original? This is the, my lord, whole fact is concocted, my lord. 77 is nothing.
That is why we want to know.
And
Because
only
you are
all-
keeping the records, right?
Yes, my lord.
You are keeping the records, you will able to say correctly.
Yes, lordship has, once time lordship has inspected the original records, therefore we got the certified copy, my lord. And rule number is also not tally. And my submission is, my lord, the whole area, whole career of service, he has, my lord, his date of birth is 59. And accordingly, he is retired. Suddenly, remaining 2 or 3 months, my lord, for retirement, he come up, no, 77 and my age was in school age, is 14 years something. Admit card something. Now, how it can be calculated? How it can be calculated? The Supreme Court says canon of decision is there, my lord, in fact.
Lord, even our high court, many of it.
Yes, our High Court also, my lord. This case is otherwise, my lord, we disputed it, 2017. Otherwise, it is disputed fact.
Thing is, this man is retired also in that purpose. We need to sometimes, the situation differs.
The first.
This way, straight away, you could have dismissed the man. But whatever you have found in the records,
Records of the lordship kindly see.
that's what is important for us.
Yes, my lord. And one person, BM High School headmaster, has submitted an application on request of the petitioner. And he has made that this person is the same person. In statement made before the SEBA, when both the headmaster appear, he say, I cannot say it is a ballot, I can read it ballot. I don't know whether it's the same person or not. How one
My
person
lord,
can.
both the principals are different persons, my lord.
Ultimate record is this, man.
Record is
Cannot
there.
go beyond this.
Yes.
My lord's report from CID is awaited, my lord.
Who is copying what, but the thing is with the records, many duplicate certificates are issued. Even for SEBA, you'll be very surprised. One practicing lawyer was also involved. Stop practicing, we don't know, we don't see him in the High Court thereafter. While he was practicing that, the other side used to see him. But from some time when the matter cropped up regarding the SEBA, that marksheets.
My lord, the school admission register does not speak wrong, my lord.
This is
That
forwarding
is the
there.
most authentic, my lord. Lecture F, my lord.
That is forwarded by the school, na? One is forwarded by the school and then another you record in your here. One is at the time of giving our admit card.
Admit card.
This is one is by the school headmaster.
School headmaster. Oh, yes. This rule number, lordship kindly 77, DM school, lordship kindly see serial number 43, and his rule number says 121. 121 is defined name, and Hussein Ahmed is serial number 22. How he has got it the name, I don't know. This is the ballot statement. Lordship kindly see important one. Important thing is by disputed, otherwise disputed fact. Affidavit there. You must say there. Oh. This is the last portion, Lordship, kindly read it, my lord.
No, first he applied, first he appeared from another school, right?
Under school,
That is Ibsen Ali Memorial.
it's an
High
early
School,
memorial school.
Nitainagar.
That is second time, my lord. Privately he appeared. He is a
Then-
student of Goff VM school, my lord,
I mean,
wherefrom he appeared in 1977 as a regular student, my lord.
you appeared last from where?
Last he appeared from Irfan Ali, my lord,
Irfan Ali.
as a private candidate, my lord.
You appeared from Irfan Ali.
Yes, my lord. First time he appeared from his regular school, his original school, my lord. That is government VM school, government school, my lord.
Do you have that copy? Mr. Roy, Assistant Senior, do you have that copy? The government school where from he appeared first.
Yes,
Both the records are from Irfan Ali. Irfan Ali, one is of which year? This is
Our affidavit, Lordship,
Ah.
Lordship, kindly read. Paragraph 5, my lord.
No, we have these three copies, you know.
Yes.
These three all are from Irfan Ali. Twice he appeared from Irfan Ali.
Privately, my lord. He, when in 1977, he failed, my lord. Thereafter, he joined
Which year you have appeared? Tell us in which year you have appeared?
1977, my lord.
First, then.
First, my lord.
then-
First,
Then
VM,
84. After, my lord, he failed in the exam. Then he joined service as grade 4 as office peon on 8/7/1981, my lord. Thereafter, while he was working in an office, my lord, he appeared privately as a private candidate from Irfan Ali School, my lord.
On
In 84, he passed, my lord.
84.
Yes, my lord.
84 regular, as a regular, he has failed.
No, he cannot be regular because he joined his
Prior
service
to
in
84, when did you
1981.
appear?
Compartmental, my lord.
My lord,
84 compartmental.
Before 84,
Before 84, Lordship first appear in his expired 77 from BM High School.
this is his original
now
school.
do you have the record of that?
We have submitted that to it.
My lord, I have submitted 4 MRs.
4 copies MRS.
No, this, oh, yes, this is, you're talking about.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
This is 77, my lord.
77. He shows a rule number 0121.
No, 01.
1021 is roll, my lord. It is common to all the students and his number is 0121.
It is serial number.
So complete number is 1021 0121.
I know well, it is a rule and it's a number.
Then
Number
his
is
number is 0121.
0121.
As per record.
No. It should be 122.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. His serial
122.
number is ballot 121 is different name.
121
My
is
lord, I
totally
have the
different.
original
Yes.
certificate.
I don't know, this is the, what is there.
And second time, ballot SSH examination
My lord,
regular.
this is the original mark sheet I have, my lord. Roll number is very much clear there. Your lordship may kindly peruse, my lord.
Original
He also
marks.
started, he also
What?
might have tried to produce before the SEBA, my lord, they did not produce it, my lord. Original, right? Roll number is.
Oh, yes.
122.
122. There's a rule number 121. Original one.
That is 0121.
Yeah, that is the number.
But there is 122.
Yes.
Your lordship may kindly see, this is the original one I have. Your lordship may kindly please.
See, basically, this is from the main record of the school, which has been submitted before the SEBA.
And this is the original one. Your lordship may kindly please. চাও।
Marksheet.
এইটো marksheet।
হাতে গেছে।
ফাটি গ'ল, বহুত পুৰণা না।
But if you want to verify it again, it is better you verify.
No, not necessary, my lord. The new course, high school, his roll number, he says, my lord, 0121.
Number 1.
Fail, my lord.
Yes,
This is
my
a
lord, he
original
failed.
fail. I don't know, my lord, how he has got it. Even I don't
Well,
know.
this is the original one.
কিন্তু নাম্বারটা
He failed in 2007.
Number is different,
1970.
Number is different.
Same number. The one, my lord, which they have produced showing different roll number, I may be allowed to inspect it, my lord.
Want to inspect?
Yes, my lord.
না আছে
The same principal appear before the, my lord, secretary Seva says, no, I don't know whether he's the same person or not. And on request of the petitioner made an affidavit, he said he's the same person. One or
Want to
same
do
person.
one thing. Digitalize it. Keep it the records with you, because you cannot keep all these records like this for a long period. And secondly, to my knowledge, the issuance of certificate.
122 is the serial number. This is not the
Issuance of
roll number.
certificate by any headmaster, principal, that some teacher is serving or somebody is dead, was barred by the government. Because many things happens.
Yes, yes.
So it was barred by there is a particular
Now
order of the government.
it is updated, I think, nowadays it is put in the computer digital. Right. This is an old one.
And these numbers are put by the officials, my lord.
Mhm.
But all the records, my lord, contain this number 0121.
Affidavit filed by the headmaster, my lord, paragraph 5, second paragraph.
And the headmaster himself submit a filed affidavit, my lord.
Yes, yes, I am going through it, please. Consequently, affidavit filed by respondent number 6, 5.
Admission
Paragraph five.
register is, your lordship may kindly see the admission register. It cannot speak wrong, my lord.
On receipt of the same, I have issued a certificate on 18/3/2021, stating that the petitioner whose name appeared said. Oh.
When did you retire from service?
On, my lord,
2019.
2019, my lord, that is, that is 31/5/2019.
Pagination to code was running pagination to running pagination to nine. No, running pagination to not sure.
It was compartmental from which school?
From
BM school. BM High School, Malik.
government BM High School.
Where I want to.
It's already there. The record is
I want to draw submission, my lord, 1 point, my lord. Lordship kindly see affidavit filed by the my lord, respondent number 6, headmaster of a BMA school. He respondent number 6, paragraph 5, my lord. I am reading, my lord. The read petitioner approves the deponent by submitting an application dated 17/3/2021 to the request to clarify and verify with proper reason as to whether he is the same person as reflected in 1971 admission register and who had appeared HLC exam in 1977, bearing roll number 1121 from BM Government School, Hailakandi. And second paragraph, on receipt of the same, that means he submitted an application. The receipt of the same, I have issued a certificate 18/3/2021 stating that a read petitioner whose name appears serial number 62, school admission register 1971 is the same person whose name appeared in the school merit register showing his age is 14 years, 8 months, so and so, so and so. This is his averment. Lordship, I have submitted one document, my lord. The last he say he cannot ascertain. Our speaking order, Lordship, can say affidavit filed by the SEBA. Respond number 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Our speaking order, Lordship, I am giving you the what is a duplicate copy of SSL examination admit card 77, duplicate copy, rule number 121, when date of birth 14 years, 8 months on 77. Date of birth thus calculated 1762, but neither the original admit card nor any other original documents submitted in support of the claim of date of birth of
My
1962.
lord, the petitioner produced, but they did not accept.
No.
This is, I have in my
So,
file. my lord.
original SSL exam 1984 compartmental so and so date of record is 59, and thereafter further the ascertain at the record the headmaster institution two schools. The head of the institution of the 2 schools was summoned by letter dated so and so principal of BMS High School and headmaster of Arfan Memorial High School. As per statement recorded of the principal BM High School of 1977 rule 1021 number 121 showed the date of birth is 62 as per school admission register, and perused the record submitted by the principal wherein the SLCC compartmental examination 1984 rule number so and so date of birth is 1959. Perused the statement the headmaster Arfan Ali Memorial High School document relating to record date of birth and about where his school records has been damaged and FIR lost so and so. As per records maintained by SEBA office, TR and MRS, it appears Sri Hussein Ahmed Borbia appeared SLC examination 92 regular, 84 regular, and compartmental 1984 against the regular examination of 84. The candidate could not pass the said regular examination 84 under rule number so petitioner
But
reappeared.
84 cannot be
Let me
regular.
complete. The petitioner does not know who he is regular or not.
He was
Record
in
says
service since 81.
so. The record passed the regular 84.
Sometimes the petitioners doesn't give everything to the lawyer. That is why-
Documents are here, I have annexed all his service documents, including service book, my lord.
So, Lordship, kindly bear with me, my lord. Next paragraph. It is informed the headmaster of Gov VMA's school that candidate who passed from their school in the SLC examination compartmental 1984 with rule number so and so cannot be ascertained as the same person who had appeared 77 rule number so and so, as their record bears no connectivity to the candidate appearing in SLC 77 and compartmental 84. That is his speaking order, my lord. The statement before your lordship, my lord, he says, I cannot ascertain whether he is the same person or not. How she can, petitioner can jump to the personal gain, my lord, for taking some documents, my lord, who he is the duplicates the documents to say that I have my date of birth so and so. I did 14 years, otherwise it is illegible. 15 years is necessary to appear in the SLC examination.
In new course,
These
my
ballot,
lord,
these
he also
are all
appeared
oldest ballot.
in new course at the age of 14 years, my lord.
So this is a my
New
lord
course metric,
concocted
my lord,
and
all the
non-practice
students
exhibition.
appeared, my lord, they were 14, 13, 14 years. Because they did not read class 7, my lord.
And duplicate advocate also there is no father's name.
And my lord, in case of birth certificate, my lord, date of birth, my lord, the most authentic document is the admission register, school admission register. That cannot be manipulated. I have annexed it as annexure F, page 40. Your lordship may kindly see. Page 40 is the, my lord, the type copy is 39. On 18/1/1971, my lord, the petitioner was 8 years, 6 months, 17 days. Original one is page 40, my lord. So if it is calculated, it comes to, my lord, 18/1/1971. My lord, 1/7/1962, my lord. His date of birth. This cannot be manipulated. And the, my lord, principal also in his affidavit submitted this school admission register, my lord. So thereafter, subsequently, there may be many changes. That is different thing, my lord. But school, that can be manipulated, but the school admission register cannot be manipulated. And here I have relied on the decision also of Subin Muhammad, my lord.
Just note it down.
Yes, ma'am.
See, what it is, what we have compared is
Yes, ma'am.
the signature of the petitioner in the affidavit, signature of the petitioner in the Okalatnama, and the signature of the petitioner in the compartmental examination form where you have signed. All three are same. Right? And in the compartmental examination form, your signature says that your date of birth is 26th of May 1959. Right?
Yes.
There was somehow what we have noticed, the HSLC examination 1977. This should go to forensic otherwise. The signature of the petitioner, Hussein Ahmed Borvia, is different. Now that if it is 14 years, 8 months in 1977, not even in that case, date of birth is sometimes in
Date of birth is
1st of July 1962,
He is claiming, my lord,
which he is claiming,
now.
and it is not his signature. It is not the signature of the some other Hussein Ali.
That's why, my lord, I am saying there is no connectivity, my lord.
And the signature which you have given
yes, ma'am.
in your application, in your compartmental examination, it is your signature is very clear from where you have given that your date of birth is 26th of May 1959.
Slow down.
My lord, in respect of my argument.
Yes, now give us the citation.
Yes, my lord, I am placing, my lord.
We will be taking Madam citation first.
Yes, yes.
Yes, madam.
So many, always.
Give us the citation. Now just give us the citation.
This is Subin Mohammed versus Union of India. This is the High Court of Kerala.
Just pass on. We'll just pass on.
There are apex court rulings also, my lord. I've collected, but I'm not finding all these today, my lord.
It doesn't matter. You give us the list tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
Right? Give us the list. Yes.
Yes, my lord, I am giving, my lord. First, I am giving, my lord, Bharat Coking Coal. It is a, my lord, Supreme Court judgment. And aired 2020 SC 940. I am giving a copy. Now, my lord, first of all, I am, my lord, showing only one thing, my lord. Important thing is, my lord. Paragraph 9, Lord, kindly see. This court, in fact, has held that even if there is a good evidence to establish that the recorded date of birth is erroneous, the correction cannot be claimed as a matter of right. In that regard, MP so-and-so versus so-and-so case is under. It needs to be emphasized that in matters involving correction of date of birth of government servant, particularly on the eve of the superannuations of the fag of the career, the court or the tribunal has to be circumspect, cautious and careful while issuing direction for correction of date of birth recorded in the service book at the time of entry into the government service, unless the court or tribunal is fully satisfied on the basis of the irrefutable proof relating to his date of birth and that such a claim is made in accordance with the prescribed procedure. Then within 3 years it is a prescribed procedure or as by a consistent procedure adopted by the departmental concern, that the case may be, and real injustice has been caused to the person concerned, the court or tribunal should be allowed to issue a direction for correction of service book. This is one case. One case, another paragraph is also 11, but all are 11 paragraphs. This case was 25 years, but it is more than 30 years.
You said you have the service book with you.
Yes, my lord. I have annexed, my lord.
Just give it to us, the service book.
Yes, yes.
Service book. Service book annexure D, my lord. Page 35, 34, 35.
59 liters.
Earlier, my lord, entry was made as 1962, my lord. Only after he
Page.
page 34 and 35. 35 date is reflected, my lord. Your lordship may kindly see, initially it was 1/7/1962. Then after 1984, the office corrected it, my lord, as 26/5/1959. Initially, at the time of joining his service, he put his date of birth as 1/7/1962.
Give us the service book.
My lord, I'll collect it from the petitioner and furnish. Otherwise, extract.
Entire extract is there.
Yes,
Just
in
give
the
it
writ
to us. We want
petition.
to see that.
The date was 1934 to page 34, 35.
No, we want to see the extract. There is a reason.
Yes, my
behind
lord.
it. No, entire thing is not available.
Entire is available with the petition. I only took 2 pages and annexed it.
I would like to see.
I'll collect it from the petitioner.
When did
my
he
lord.
join service?
1981, my lord. I put the
That
date.
is the thing we want to know.
I have annexed, my lord, his appointment order, my lord. His appointment order is, it starts from page 23, my lord. Not 23, not 23, 81, my lord, yes, page 19, my lord. Yes, 19 is the initial order, first order. 3781, page 19.
Mr. Surya, whether these documents are given to the petitioner, the SEBA's internal documents. The
Hello?
petitioner on the basis of RTA or what?
No idea.
Where from they got the internal
Which one, my lord?
exhibits, the annexes?
They have submitted some documents, my lord, at the time of hearing before the SEBA. Earlier occasion, they have filed a writ petition. Direction was given to hearing, take the hearing. of the-
Regarding the other documents were furnished by the SEBA, my lord,
Okay.
to the headmaster, my lord.
Now just see one thing madam, for yourself. Please come to page number 35. You can compare it with the affidavit page, you can compare it with the Wakalatnama page, you can compare it with your service book. Right,
Yes, my lord.
now. Compare it page number 42.
51 also.
43.
Different division.
And since you have annexed, it is before us, but anyway, I'd like to show it to you. Page number 41 or something like that.
41.
Should be 41. Just now, I've seen that would be an Excel.
It's not high now.
See, it is, Mr. Any other judgment you'd like to please?
Yes. So many cases, my lord. I am one by one. I am giving, my lord.
Please give us the set.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Roy, since you have to write it 315, give us the list of the judgments.
Copy is available, my lord. I am providing copy.
Give us, also give us the list. Yes.
List is, my lord.
And whatever citation you want to give it by tomorrow.
Yes.
I have to show you that signature part. Some there.
Okay. So am I right to?
Just saw that's why.
Yes. And it would accept it. It would, yes. I am providing copy with one of all these things.
Oh, thank you.
Come on, this one. Our High Court also, my lord,
Yes, our High Court many.
so many cases are there.
There are judgments by Justice Roy, Justice Amitabh Roy.
Yes.
Justice Roy, then also by
And Justice Kotesh also. No court or tribunal can come to the aid to those who sleep over their rights. After more than 30 years, he has come.
If you have the copy of the service book.
I can collect it.
Yes, that's all.
We will provide.
When can you give it to us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please come to the page number 14 of the affidavit filed by respondent number 6. This affidavit was filed on 27th of April 2021.
Yes,
Ma'am, you got it?
I said got it.
Serial number 121.
Malad, no, we can read only paragraph because it is in the continuation of number. Malad.
Page number 14, inside page 14,
14. Yes.
annexure to the affidavit of the respondent number 6.
6.
That is the register 1954 to 1980 of that school,
Yes, Malad.
HSLC 1977.
Yes, Malad.
Then you'll see again 0121 serial number. Hussain Ahmed Borhuia.
Yes, Malad.
Compared with the other signatures of Hussain Ahmed Borhuia. The original is here before us.
Well, these are the full signatures, so it can, there may be some changes because at that time he was only 14, 15 years.
In some, my lord, instead of Hussein
That is
Ahmed,
because we're not
Hussein.
sending it to forensic, but absolutely different. Doesn't match with your signatures in the
And
affidavit.
his father's name is also there.
Anyway, leave it to us. You're receiving pension?
No, my lord, because of this pendency of this case, my lord. He is
Now,
not receiving.
What is that? Any notice was given to you for retirement? You've been earlier informed?
Yes, my lord, that was during pendency of the writ petition. Earlier, we found one writ petition, my lord. During pendency of that writ petition, notice was given.
So, in the earlier case, what was the order passed by the court? Next some.
E577.
This one the order.
Okay, page 52.
Yes. Last directed to Mandot in view of the matter so and so accordingly, the view of the above submission made and petitioner is proceeded to the direction of National 4 to pass a speaking order within a period of so and so days, receipt of certified copy of this order.
And this is.
Accordingly, hearing was taken and the speaking order was passed.
Yes.
The speaking
Here
order,
we challenge the speaking
which is
order.
your challenge. Fine.
Speaking order 12 June 2019. In this speaking order, all are there. Manoj.
Mr. Roy, give us a list of the judgments. Yes. Madam, you give us the list tomorrow.
So on behalf of the responsible India.
And the service book, my lord.
On behalf of the responsible India.
Please for the government, Mr. G. Pegu. Government Advocate Assam. No, you're just. Mr. P. C. Sutia. Council Assistant by Mr. D. Council for the respondent numbers
1 to 5.
5. This also heard Mr. Respondent number 6. The relevant reports. We'll be listing this matter tomorrow only for the purpose of giving me the judgments and the his service.
Service bookers.
My lord, service book, I have, my lord, the petitioner resides in Hailakandi, my lord. So at least 2 days required, my lord. You have to come with the service.
You can also take by WhatsApp copy.
Was the PDF copy, yes, my lord.
PDF copy
Yes.
tomorrow. Or we'll have it on Friday.
Yes, my lord, fine.
Come quickly. List on Friday, enabling the petitioner. Get to variety. You please. The relevant, place the relevant citations on the basis of which he made his claim, as well as a copy of his service book. Okay. Mr. Shooter, this will be with us for the time being for writing of the order.
We'll list it on Friday, my lord.
It will be listed on Friday. Nalagi to provide such